Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got an awesome watch face to take a look at by my man Schultz. He's done it again. He gets down on some digital watch faces, and this one is no exception. I like the look of this watch face, right? Now the name of it is called Digital Sport. In the always on mode, it looks just as good. I like the choice of colors. I like that it gives you the very important information like your month. You also get your weeks, and you get the date right up front in the AOD mode. Looks really good. Now when the watch face is on, you get everything, and I do mean everything. Now you get the date, which is right here. You also get your weeks in. You also get your heart rate. Above the heart rate, you're gonna get your battery info. As you can see, I'm flirting with low cell again. You get a nice big bold digital time. Now if you look at the digital time, it has a hexagon theme to it, which I thought looked really, really awesome. You get your moon phase, your PM stamp. Down at the bottom, you're gonna get your steps, calories burned, miles walked or ran. Definitely a good look, and it is interactive. So if I tap right here, I can pull up my weather. Come on, get on out of there. I could also pull up my alarm, right? I thought that was a good look. And if I tap right here, I could pull up my calories burned, step status info. All four corners, you're gonna get info with this one, right? Your heart rate. And we're gonna tap over on the next one, just so you can see. You can bring up your calendar. All of this is great. It gives you everything in one watch face. And of course, double tap in the middle, and you can customize the color of the watch face, which I thought was awesome. And you know he always makes it affordable in the Gear Manager store. So make sure you guys go check this out. I think this is worth a download. All right, you all. That's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. Make sure you hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this. Pretty soon, the Galaxy Watch will be here, and we'll be no longer reviewing it on the Gear 3. Maybe sometime. All right, you all, that's it. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.